Hi, I'm Dr. Cabiles, the director of Zixo DRMO. Of course, I see to it that all daily activities are being accomplished and roving schedule for marshals for everyone's safety. Check. And every Friday we conduct fumigation and we see to it that the university is safe.
I am DRM Shera, Planning Section Chief of DRMO. Of course, ako yung gumagawa ng mga plano ng office namin.
I am the Admin Section Chief of Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office. Of course, as a Secretary or Admin Section Chief, ito ang aking trabaho. Sa akin lahat ang dokumento, papeles at iba pang mga communication ng Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office. I am the CPPSU DRM Operations Section Chief. Of course, ako yung taga-mitigate at nagkukontrol pag may emergency. The primary mission of emergency response.
Oh, bakit nandito pa kayo? May sunog na doon! Tara na!
Hi, I am a CPPSU DRMO Logistics. Of course, as a logistics, sa akin nakasign yung lahat ng gamit dito sa office.
Kaya magandang hapon. Salamat sa privilege na ito. Interview and being the consultant by appointed as our executive director. Yung trabaho ko naman, pag may mga activity kami, ginagawa, not only activity, no? Hinihiling ng body to add an additional wisdom para sa ayos at magandang flow ng mga ginagawa natin. Hindi lang dito sa office, para sa buong university.
Hi, I'm CPPS DRM First Responder. Of course, I'm always ready to save lives. Sir, are you okay?